The settings menu is where EQ becomes personal, allowing you to tailor both how the device looks and how it behaves. Settings begin with lighting effects, giving you control over visual feedback. From there, you can choose from a range of interface backgrounds, designed to improve visibility and match different lighting conditions or moods. Each smart path is fully customizable through the settings menu. You can define the curve by adjusting the low and high range, as well as the total session time. This gives you precise control over how a session begins, how it develops, and how it finishes. Smart path curves can be renamed, making it easy to organize and return to your personalized curves over time. Smart path is ideal when you want a guided, hands-off session, delivering consistency, structure, and control, while EQ manages the transitions for you with minimal input. Session controls for precision mode are also adjusted here. You can set session duration and customize how each mode behaves before a session begins. EQ allows you to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, ensuring on-screen information is displayed in the format you prefer. Built-in tutorials, shown automatically during your first sessions, can be accessed again at any time through the menu. You'll also find FAQs and device status, giving you a clear view of system information whenever you need it. By customizing settings once, EQ feels familiar and intuitive every time you use it.